Welcome to CDG Inspection, a globally trusted name in advanced material testing services. We specialize in ISO 148-1 Charpy Pendulum impact testing, delivering accurate and reliable results. Our state-of-the-art laboratories house advanced equipment tailored for Charpy impact testing. The Charpy Pendulum impact test determines the toughness of metallic materials under dynamic conditions. This standardized test evaluates material behavior when subjected to sudden impact. Our testing supports critical industries like construction, aerospace, and automotive engineering. With precision instruments, we deliver clear and accurate fracture data for all metallic materials. After the test, our experts analyze the results using advanced software to provide comprehensive reports. Our ISO 148-1 testing ensures compliance with global safety and quality standards. Our highly trained professionals work together to ensure precision and reliability at every stage. From simple metals to complex alloys, our testing services accommodate a wide range of materials. With clients worldwide, CDG Inspection is a trusted partner for businesses across the globe. Our clients trust us for accurate results, exceptional service, and fast turnaround times. Ready to ensure the integrity of your materials? Visit our website today to learn more. Visit us at www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry today.